Hello and welcome. My name is Pratim Karki, student ID S342596. I'm honored to present this final assignment from HIT 374, Enterprise Network Engineering. Scenario. Since I'm working at Puma Energy in the Darwin city, I'm focusing on the actual situation for this project. Currently, my company network system is not effective and accurate due to the outdated configuration of router, switches, cable, and protocols. We need a new approach to run this system smoothly. Therefore, as an acting network engineer, I'm removing the old and implementing the updated and secure network with the coordination of Puma organization. Design. Existing design. The current existing design is lack of many aspects. I have simulated by watching the existing network of Puma Energy. I'm filling the gap by approaching the proposed design. Proposed design. The design of this project is what the Puma organization is willing to implement in their network system to meet the gap between a regular network and a secure network. A part of this network design will be to study how security components are distributed within the department network and what role they play in providing ozonation. IP addressing. In this topology, I have highlighted the number of computers in each department so that the company can quickly estimate the cost of setting up such a network and prevent wasting money. Since it is under small and medium-sized business, we have implemented a Class C IP addressing within the LAN, which is simple to assign, operate, and maintain in the future. Result and analysis. Following is a list of the result after merging the necessary protocol into the most suitable components. There is a high level of certainty that the network will run smoothly, securely, and omit the redundancy. Routing protocol. To maintain the company standard and redundancy, we use 6 different routers and the link state routing protocol OSPF. The area border router ABR, which is also included in the OSPF protocol, is the final one because it is very reliable, secure, and fast in selecting the path to go through the NAT. The use of 6 different routers itself provides excellent redundancy, ensuring that no problem arises even if one of the router or one of the device fails. Similarly, the procurement department to the DMZ Demilitarized Zone web server is integrated through the static route to make sure the backup is 100% secure. Server. We implemented DNS in the IT department to resolve hostname to IP address, which in-device can utilize to retrieve IP address and other information such as the default gateway, subnet mask, and DNS server. In LAN context, the dynamic host configuration protocol used to dynamically issue host IP addresses from a center server, reducing the expense of administrating IP addresses. In any case, it helped conserve limited IP address space. VLAN. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 has been implemented in 2 groups of switchboard in the procurement department for security purposes, to handle particular tasks, to manage traffic flow, and to maintain privacy. ACL. The extended ACL has been implemented to limit the use of internet in the transport layer, utilizing ICMP, TCP, or UDP protocol between procurement and management department. NAT. Because there will be many computers accessing the outside local area, NAT is in the place with the PAT algorithm in this network. We have omitted static and dynamic NAT because it's covered by the widely used PAT algorithm. Security. Security is a top priority in the network paradigm that includes employing multiple protocols, configuring devices, and securing devices. In this network, we use tough security system. Each router and switches are protected with ID and password. A few switches are using spanning tree protocol. Access list control is active in the network, separating system with the sensitive data from the rest of the network using VLAN, using static routing where only the administrator can add routers, and using OSPF, a link state protocol that filters the interesting traffic. Conclusion. Conclusively, the system would provide fast access to information, private network security, and maximum productivity using telecommunication services. The organization complex now has high-speed wire and wireless internet access as well as the capability to transmit all type of data over the efficient network due to the technology upgraded. The journey of Puma from the outdated, unmanaged, and messy configuration system to a secure network that includes ACL, VLAN, routing protocols like static OSPF, proper IP addressing, and STP does fulfill the requirements for the work. Furthermore, maintaining this network is a big picture. To detect damage to a computer network in a fast, easy, and inexpensive manner, Cisco Packet Tracer software can be used to maintain and obtain information about the state of the computer connected in the network. Aftermath, network diagram present a visual representation of how systems are connected and communicate from initial stage to final stage. Thank you.